Apo, kakabsat, mga kaibigan, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Congregation of Benedictine Sisters of the Eucharistic King. Dito po sa Barangay Nagtagaan, Rosario, La Union. Bisitahin po natin ang ating mga minamahal na Benedictine Sisters at ang kanila pong napakagandang simbahan at tahanan.
The Queen of Peace Priory here in Nagtagaan, Rosario, La Union is it's a place of prayer. No? And we were here way back 30 years ago. And this place, when we came first here, talagang forest ito, forest. But afterwards, after some cleaning and some mga renovations of the place, now it has become really a place of prayer and silence.
Dito sa amin, sa Queen of Peace Priory, ay meron din kaming retreat house at saka Stations of the Cross na pwedeng puntahan ng mga pilgrims, especially Lenten season to the Holy Week. At meron kaming ongoing development ngayon sa area na para magiging agricultural pilgrim site. Dahil mayroon kaming farm na dinidevelop and coming soon, magkakaroon kami ng dried mangoes at saka other mango-derived products. Yes po, open for all, pwedeng mabili. Para kung may mga coming na pilgrims ay may snack na sila. Di sila uuwing gutom. Ganon. At sa farm po namin, magiging organic farm po kami. Sa mga susunod, sa mga future projects po namin ay magiging campsite din po ito. Yes, retreat house and campsite. Then magkakaroon kami ng herbal garden. Tsaka yung organic vegetable field po namin.
Opo, sister. Good afternoon po.
We call our place Queen of Peace Priory.
Opo.
Nandun ang pangalan nitong place na ito.
Opo.
Imbes nga kumbento,
Opo.
priory because we are Benedictines.
Opo.
So iti kumbento we are calling it priory. And
Priory.
the one who is head, who is the one in charge of the priory is the prioress. So
Opo.
my title is the prioress of
Opo.
this place.
Sister, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng priory?
Yung prioress, para siya ang superior.
Superior.
Yeah.
Kasi
Siya
nga
ang
mother superior.
Sister superior naman.
Sister
kasi yung,
superior
yeah,
po, opo.
Kasi yung mother general namin, siya lang ang mother general. Tumatawag si mother. Siya ang aming ang foundress namin. Si Mother Edeltraud, German siya.
Apo.
And then, ang aming mother
Ang founder po ng Benedictine Sisters.
Sisters of the Eucharistic King is a German.
Po.
Mother Edeltraud Danner.
Okay.
Na namatay siya 1978. Hindi na namin nakita doon sa Vigan.
Opo.
Oo. 1888 siya. She was born 1888. And then, she was a Saint Scholastica sister.
Opo.
She was the first sister who taught music at Saint Scholastica from Germany.
Wow.
And then when she
Saint
was
Scholastica Manila sister.
Yes.
Opo.
When she was there in Saint Scholastica.
Opo.
And then, mayroon siyang inspiration
Opo.
to found a community.
Opo.
That is a community of
Opo.
sisters with active at saka contemplative ang
Opo.
kanilang buhay.
Opo.
She founded a congregation in Vegan, locally.
Opo.
We are locally
Wow,
made.
vegan.
The Benedictines local made.
Opo.
Oo. She founded our congregation in 1930.
1930.
So we are
Okay.
almost, manungaro tita kun bitatan, almost
Opo.
100 years na yata.
Opo,
But
opo.
We were founded in Vegan.
Vegan.
So in
Okay.
Vegan, we have also our sisters who are cloistered. But then
Opo. Opo.
in 1986,
Opo.
there was a decree from Rome that
Opo.
there's a need for us to separate. Kasi the two lives, the active and the contemplative cannot be together.
Opo.
So, nag-separate kami. Yung mga tao, di nila naintindihan yun.
Mhm.
Bakit nag-away ang mga yung mga sisters sa kamongha, sabi nila. But there's a need in the church, no?
Okay.
So, that's why the one foundation was made into two.
Okay.
So, we call ourselves now Benedictine Sisters
At yung isa
of the
po?
Eucharistic King. And the other one is
Opo.
the Benedictine Nuns of the Eucharistic King.
Okay.
Yeah, but originally, we are Benedictines of
Opo.
the Eucharistic King. But when we
Opo.
had, after the separation, so we were given the identity as Benedictine Sisters
Opo.
of the Eucharistic King and Benedictine Nuns of the Eucharistic.
Opo.
Parang the same naman, no? Sisters,
Opo.
nuns.
And nun. Opo, opo.
So in the congregation, we have 4 priories.
Opo.
Here, we call it Queen of Peace Priory
Apo.
in the Mortis, in La
Aha.
Union. We have Saint Benedict Priory in Calapan, Mindoro.
Opo.
And then we have Saint Benedict Priory in Ulas, Davao City.
Okay.
And then we have Saint Benedict Priory in Vigan, Ilocos Sur. So there are 4
Opo.
priories.
Opo.
Before, this was our generalate, meaning the generalate is the center of the congregation.
Dito po sa
Dito
Rosario,
sa
La
Rosario,
Union.
yes.
Okay po.
But then, hindi maganda ang signal. So,
Ay,
we have to
okay.
transfer because of the communications. No?
Opo.
Even there are communications like that.
Opo.
Hindi, how do you call it? Very weak ang
Opo.
signal.
Ang signal.
Oo.
Opo. So, ito po ang bahay.
Ito ang bahay. Yeah. We call
Bahay
it
po ninyo po, sister.
bahay ng mga madre.
Okay.
There are sisters, there are 27 sisters who are living here.
27 sisters.
Oo.
Opo.
But at the meantime,
Opo.
the 11 sisters are in the mission.
Ah,
So,
okay.
meaning mission in Zambales.
Opo.
They're in Santa Cruz, Zambales.
Opo.
There are 2 sisters there. And then in Castillejos, there are
Opo.
2 sisters also.
Opo.
And then in San Felipe, we have a solitude there.
Opo.
And there are 2 sisters there also.
Okay
Yeah,
po.
let's get in. This
Opo.
is our house. And we have
Opo.
also a little religious community,
Yes
religious
po.
store. And
Opo.
here again is our mother foundress.
Yes po.
Mother Edeltraud. And then this is Pope Leo the 14th. This is Bishop Daniel Presto.
Opo.
And then here is our Mother General, formerly for 3 terms, namatay na siya.
Okay.
Yeah, siya ang nagpatayo nitong magandang kumbento.
Opo, opo.
3 terms 6 times 3, 18 years
Opo.
na siya ang Mother General.
Opo, opo.
But namatay siya
Opo.
3 years ago.
Opo.
And this is now our new
Opo.
Mother
Opo.
General.
Ay,
He's from
opo.
Davao.
Ay, okay.
No, she was assigned in the Diocese of La Union for 6 years now.
Wow.
Mother says, we are
Opo.
very many, no? This was
Opo.
the first Congress in that was long time ago. Alam mo
Opo.
itong mga madre dito, namatay na sila lahat.
Oh, opo.
Except Mother Cecil.
Okay po.
Dami namin. But then ngayon, ang problema, kunti na lang pumapasok
Opo.
in the Philippines. But in Indonesia, imagine, we have 40 sisters, young sisters
Wow,
in
sa
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
In Momeri, in
Opo.
Flores. Oo.
Wow.
Yeah, we
Ma-
are there.
So,
oo.
ma'am, ang Indonesia kasi largely ay Muslim.
Muslim, oo.
So, dati silang Muslim na nag-Catholic?
Hindi,
or?
ito kasi there
Apa.
is a part in Indonesia na
Oh.
very Catholic,
I
Flores.
see.
Where the
Flores,
SVD,
Indonesia. Okay.
the cradle of the SVD in Flores, Indonesia.
Okay.
Kaya that's the lahat, ang
Mhm.
daming mga pare sa Madrid doon sa Flores.
I
Well, in the other
see.
part of Indonesia, Muslim, but
Opo.
you know, no, there is
Opo.
also a holy
Mhm.
holy place in Indonesia where
Opo,
you can
opo.
find many priests and sisters. Yeah.
Opo.
So doon, Diyos ko, imagine,
Opo.
na we were amused na ang daming pumapasok na.
Opo, opo.
Dito sa Philippines, 1, 2.
Opo. Bakit kaya ho, Sister, konti lang po ngayon
Hindi,
ng ano?
alam mo, it's a part of, also, ang buhay natin.
Opo.
Di ba?
They'd rather work and
Oo.
help their
Yeah.
families sa pagtrabaho.
Yeah,
Ano
yeah.
po? Tama po.
If you enter the convent, you can no more help your
Opo.
family.
Mhm,
No?
mhm.
Especially if you're already a professional and then you
Opo.
enter.
Opo.
But anyway, to be with the Lord, to be at the service of the Lord, is
Yes
the
po.
best mission, no?
Opo, yes po, Sister.
But
Opo.
ang ating iba kasi yung mentalidad ngayon na
Opo.
better go and stay in the world and
Opo.
enrich yourself, and then you help your family.
Opo.
We are 11 in the family. We are 2 sisters.
Hmm.
Dalawa kaming nagmadre. But
Opo.
hindi Benedictine. Saint Paul yung kapatid
Saint
ko.
Paul.
Saint Paul de Chartres. Yung mga
Opo. Sister, ilan po ang Benedictine sisters po sa buong mundo po?
Ay,
Opo.
marami. We cannot run also.
Opo.
Hindi nga nila
Mga-
alam kung ilan daw ang congregation of Benedictines.
Opo.
Congregation of women Benedictines, di natin alam na. Produce lang at makamun.
Opo, opo.
Sa Philippines, kaming congregation na Benedictine
Apa.
sisters, so we are almost 100.
100.
Almost 100.
Okay po.
Oo. And then you know that Saint Benedict has a twin sister? Saint Scholastica. Dalawa sila doon. Yung nandoon.
Twin
They are
sister
twins.
ni Saint Benedict
is Saint Scholastica. Yes.
Okay
Oo,
po.
kaya yung Saint Scholastica Priory,
Opo.
yun ay talagang we are very close to them kasi Benedictines man lahat. Yun yung nandoon.
Meron pa pong iba pa
Kunin
pong patron saint po?
Oo, yung mga, kasi doon sa Nursia where Saint Benedict was born,
Opo.
they have second patron doon, si Saint Lucy.
Okay.
You know that if you go to Nursia,
Opo.
there is a very beautiful picture of Saint Lucy kasi sa Ringay, Saint Lucy man, ang
Opo.
patron saint doon.
Opo.
Ang ganda.
Okay.
Saint Benedict, Saint Scholastica, and Saint Lucy.
Saint Lucy.
Oo. Saint
Si
Lucy.
Saint Benedict at si
saka
Saint Scholastica.
Twins.
Twins, opo.
Twins sila.
Tapos po, sister,
Ang kaping na Panjero, mga kami pinabisita, Nursia.
nakapag-roam na po ako.
Sa Subiaco, sa Monte Cassino, those are very important Benedictine places.
Yun ang hindi ko po napuntahan. Opo,
yes.
Talagi, Vatican, Kasjay.
Ako
Yung sa Benedictine sisters doon, hindi pa po.
Ayan, yung Subiaco, ang ganda.
Aha.
Yung Monte Cassino, doon namatay si Saint Benedict. Sa Subiaco, doon siya naging hermit.
Opo.
And then yung Nursia, doon siya pinanganak with.
Opo.
Yeah.
Tapos po, sister, so bali po, ang Church of Priory,
Priory na lang.
Priory na lang
Yeah,
po.
the Priory.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Pero ang pangalan po ng simbahan ay?
Dito. Church of Angels and Saints.
Opo.
Yeah.
So sister, ito pong ating church po ay anong taon po nagbukas?
Dito sa
Opo. Lakad po
were
tayo,
here,
sister.
We were here 30 years ago, in 1986. We
Opo. So-
started our,
Opo.
yeah. Kasi after the separation from vegan, nagtingin kami ng places where we can transfer. Ang
Opo.
daming places.
Opo.
But this is I think the right place
Opo.
where the Lord has brought us in.
Opo.
This
Ang
was
sarap.
owned by Sandueta ito but then
Owned
the property owned by Sandueta.
Okay.
Yung pa namin, but it was already in the bank na foreclosed doon.
Doon niyo po na binili sa bank.
Oo, sa bank
So
na.
this property is owned by the Benedictine sisters na
Sisters
po.
of the Eucharistic King
Of the
na yun.
Eucharistic King.
Yeah.
Opo.
Yes.
Tapos po, sister, gaano po kalaki itong pong lugar
Itong
po
lugar,
ninyo?
It
Opo.
is 17 hectares.
Opo, 17
hectares. Doon sa baba, may 1.5 hectares.
I see.
Oo.
Nabanggit po kanina ni Sister Mary Jo na meron din daw po kayo ditong poultry.
Yes. Makikita dito yung poultry house namin.
Opo.
But alam mo, hindi gaining ito. A special feature is our labyrinth garden, The labyrinth is a ground prayer meditation. You come and experience the beautiful prayer by yourself and with others. We try to express our desire to the Lord by ourselves and with other people. So by doing what we have done. Maganda dito, oh. Yeah, we call this labyrinth. This is a prayer ground, meditation. Oo. Labyrinth. Yeah, maybe we can try to experience the labyrinth. This was our image down. Gusto namin na ilabas kasi nandoon sa baba. Alam niyo nung ibaba namin yan, hindi namin may baba. Parang there is a miracle, palang ganyan yung kamay niya para may labas. So maybe, we will follow how to do the labyrinth.
Ito po ang labyrinth.
Labyrinth. You know, when we meditate by yourself, if you have some intentions, by yourself lang, na you are talking to the Lord, you have to finish this road. And then, ganyan. Wow. If you have some sickness that you want to for healing, ganyan. This is a very nice. You can alone. Yes, you can do this by yourself, and then you can have with group. Yan. Yeah. Ganda ito. Kasi,
ang ganda, sister. Nakakaano nga, Parang it keeps you occupied, and then iniisip mo yung kung ano yung intention mo na maiparating kay Apo Diyos.
So, maganda kung if you have a companion, especially if you are with your dear one or the closest to you, even parang you walking hand in hand, together, you share your intentions to be iparating kay Apo Diyos. No? Hindi ba? Where 2 or 3, kung nanamat ni Apo Diyos. Where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there I am in their midst. Maganda pa itong mga beatitudes ang mga yan. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God.
Ang ganda.
Then we will go afterwards yung mga iba. We'll just finish the labyrinth.
Yes po.
Nandito ka na sa kuhanan.
Nandito na sa gitna.
Now you can, there the Lord is there accepting you, and then the Mama Mary is there. Alam mo, it's newly, how do you call that? Pinapintas?
Painted, renovated.
Well, alam mo, taga Santo Tomas ang nagpaint dito. Ang galing-galing. Kuhang-kuha niya.
So, part sa aming farm development, may mga mabubuting tao na tumutulong sa amin. Ito po ay yung NGO ng Canada. Ang tawag po ay Catalyst Plus Canada. At mayroon din silang connection dito na Catalyst Plus Philippines. Na sila rin ang introduce na sa amin sa Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University or DIMSO sa College of Agriculture. Na sila na ang mga partners namin ngayon sa development ng farm. Kasama na rin ang LGU Rosario, and in the future, PGLU na rin. Kasi pumunta na rin po dito ang PGLU na para makita rin po ang aming lugar. Queen of Peace Priory is located sa Nagtagaan, Rosario, La Union.
Purupuan, Barangay Nagtagaan. For our for our liturgical celebrations, we are also inviting people to join us in the liturgical celebrations, especially during weekdays. Our mass is at 6:30 in the morning, but on Mondays it is at 4:30 in the afternoon. On Sundays, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Isang misa lang.
We have our retreat house open for all mga high school, mga estudyante na gustong mag-retreat or recollection. Pwedeng one-day recollection, pwedeng overnight retreat. At saka kahit anong mga formation po pwede po. Kinikater po ng aming retreat house. So you are all invited to come to our place for reflection, recollection, prayer, sunset viewing. Ito po yung mga ipinagmamalaki ng aming lugar. So for your inquiries, you can search on our Facebook account, that is St. Benedict Retreat House, La Union.
We are very happy that Ma'am Michelle Ortega Pimentel is with us, and we are very deeply grateful for that. And we appreciate for your coming.
Mga kaibigan, buong puso po akong nagpapasalamat sa napakababait at napakamapagmahal po nating mga Benedictine sisters, lalong-lalo na po kay Sister Pauline at kay Sister Marijo po. Maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap niyo po sa akin dito, sister, at sa paglibot niyo po sa akin sa breathtaking, napakagandang lugar po ninyo. Mga kaibigan, isama na po ninyo sa inyong itinerary ang pagpunta po ninyo dito sa La Union. Kailangan niyo pong bisitahin ang The Queen of Peace Priory dito po sa Barangay Nagtagaan, Rosario, La Union. Sige po. Opo, sister. Agkikita tayo mo nun, sister. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you po. Opo, for accepting me in your work. Opo. Sister! Opo. Thank you so much po. Apo, Intay Itandudo, ti Segundo Distrito, ti La Union. Dito'y vlog ko. Da kayo, ti bida, sister.